We begin the show in Nigeria, and the state-owned oil company NNPC has defended its move to raise the price of petrol by 11%, saying the cost of buying it from Nigeria's new Dangote oil refinery necessitated this sudden hike. Prices in Lagos jumped to 950 Naira a litre, that's about 58 cents in the US dollar, and that's from 53 cents. The refinery started processing gasoline last week, but distribution was delayed until yesterday following disputes over off-take rights and pricing. CGTN's Najma Abdirizak has more.
Although Nigeria has for decades been a major oil producer, the West African nation has not been able to refine the product until now. The new Dangote oil refinery near Lagos, expected to produce 650,000 barrels per day, finally commenced the distribution of its petrol, also known as Premium Motor Spirit or PMS, on Sunday. As many as 70 trucks were loaded on the first day. It's a development which has brought immense pride to officials at Dangote.
My president has been showing presentation where 52 years ago we were trying to see how to solve the problem of PMS supply and the queues. Now, after 52 years, now we have a solution. And the solution is local production of PMS, and it is from a Nigerian-owned company. And as an EPC contractor, it was constructed by a Nigerian company. So it's a matter of great pride that a Nigerian-owned company, constructed by a Nigerian-owned company, is able to generate PMS from the local crude and deliver not only to meet the entire requirements of Nigeria, but we can also have surplus to export. So it's a time and a moment of great pride for every Nigerian.
At the inaugural loading, NNPC trucks were the sole off-takers, buying at 898 Naira per litre, just about 55 cents, as reported by local media. Nigeria's Minister of Finance and Coordinating for the Economy had hinted at the price.
The chairman of FIRS, we congratulate everybody for having brought us this far. And I think what Nigerians can look forward to is energy security, energy sufficiency, and as we look forward, we can also look at the issue of cost. What we're expecting that as this refinery and even others, as they ramp up production, ramp up scale, and achieve greater economies of scale, there should be the opportunity, and there is definitely the potential to reduce their costs, which should pass on to the consumer.
Nigerians had not been used to seeing fuel being lifted directly from a local refinery.
We benefit a lot from Dangote refinery. And Dangote refinery was one of the biggest refineries that I've ever seen in my life, in terms of different equipment that I've not seen before.
But celebrations may only be limited to the refinery itself. Petrol prices on Monday went up to 950 Naira per litre, just about 58 cents, up from 53 cents. This is the second increase in 2 weeks. The NNPC blames the hike on what it must pay the Dangote refinery. Nigerians had been hoping for some monetary relief at the pump, however, will have to console themselves for now with what might be a permanent goodbye to long queues at filling stations. Najma Abdirizak, CGTN.